I'm selling to the person that's like, oh, I got to talk to the owner, the person who I'm obviously always targeting the owner,
Yep.
the person with the credit card. But if the other person's like, I got to sell this to someone else, I kind of got into a little thing with management. It was like, you need the owner. Like, you shouldn't even be dealing with this person. How much do I deal with the person that might not have the purchasing power to close?
So, yeah, my short advice on that is power email. And that's you're documenting current situation, capabilities needed, next steps. Okay?
Right.
Now, if they're saying, I need to talk to Ellis, okay, what I don't want you to do is put yourself back in that hole and call them and say, did you have an opportunity to talk to Ellis? Because now the discussion is whether or not they're going to talk to Ellis. So I'm calling to see if it makes sense to move forward. Then if they repeat, now I needed to talk to Ellis, would it make sense for me to have that conversation with Ellis, right? And a way we can do this is I'm happy to reply to the email that I had sent you with current situation, capabilities, and CC Ellis if you want to give me his email, and then say, Ellis, if you have any questions, I'm happy to talk to you directly on this. By the way, if I do have now watch what I'm going to do here. If I do have a conversation with Ellis and it's a one-on-one, for sure, whether you guys go with me or not, I'm going to let him know how awesome it's been working with you, how professional you are, and like throw some incentive there that you're going to plug them. And then you'll find that all of a sudden they're extra motivated to get you on. But you're in a precarious position because we don't want to, I want to always be careful, almost to a fault, of trying to work around somebody, because what ends up happening is the whole thing just blows up. Like the senior leadership never respects a sales rep that basically went around their people in a scummy kind of way, because at the end of the day, whatever solution you have, that employee typically is worth more than your solution. And if they feel like they're slighting their middle manager because of a sales rep, if they're a smart leader, they're not going to do that. They'll just buy your competition's product. So we got to be really careful about insulting the person that's supposed to talk to the other person. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.